Hey guys, welcome back to this week's Read with Me. This week we're going to read a nonfiction text. It is about the Komodo Dragon. In the early 1900s, pearl fishermen reported seeing giant reptilian creatures on a remote chain of islands in the Indian Ocean. They believed they'd seen fire-breathing dragons. People dismissed their dragon stories as fanciful tales. It wasn't until 1926, when scientists visited the island themselves, that the existence of these large reptiles was proven true. Today, this animal is known as the Komodo dragon. Komodo is one of over 17,000 islands that make up the country of Indonesia. Komodo dragons are only found on 5 of these islands, including Komodo. They don't exist in the wild anywhere else in the world. Komodo dragons aren't actually dragons, but they are the largest living lizard on Earth. The average male Komodo dragon weighs 200 pounds. Females are slightly smaller. Males can grow up to 10 feet long. If it's hard to picture how long that is, realize that a standard basketball hoop is 10 feet high. As reptiles, they are cold-blooded and have scaly skin. Komodo dragons are carnivorous predators. They use their long forked yellow tongue the same way a snake does. Their tongue smells the air to help them find food. They can locate prey and carrion or dead animal carcass from more than 2 miles away. Remember those fishermen who claimed they'd seen fire-breathing dragons? Likely they'd mistaken the Komodo dragon's flicking tongue for a wisp of fire. The Komodo dragon hunts with stealth. It hides in bushes and tall grass, then pounces on its prey, delivering a lethal bite. What makes the Komodo dragon's bite so deadly? For years, it was widely believed that the Komodo dragon's saliva oozed with toxic bacteria. The bite of the Komodo dragon infected its prey with bacteria. But when scientists analyzed samples of Komodo dragon saliva, they found it to be pretty ordinary. The bacteria in their saliva wasn't any different from the saliva of other predators. However, researchers discovered venom glands in the Komodo dragon's mouth. These findings offer a competing theory on how Komodo dragons kill. Their sharp, jagged teeth tear into prey, causing a serious wound. Their bite also releases venom into the animal. The venom prevents blood from clotting, meaning blood flows rapidly from the wound without stopping. Small animals die from blood loss. Sometimes larger prey like deer and water buffalo escape the initial attack, but their gaping wound becomes infected and the animal weakens and dies. Komodo dragons aren't very finicky eaters. When feasting on prey, they'll eat almost the entire animal, including hooves, bones, and internal organs. They can consume 80% of their body weight in a single meal. Komodo dragons can survive on only 12 meals a year. Even though Komodo dragons are fearsome predators, they still need our protection. There are less than 5,000 Komodo dragons left in the world. When humans hunt them or take over their habitat with buildings or roads, we threaten their survival. All right, guys, so that is this week's Read with Me. I hope you enjoyed this text. Hopefully, by the end of the week, you would be able to write a 3.8 paragraph summarizing this nonfiction text. All right, thank you all, and I will see you all next week.